Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check nutrients on the MyFitnessPal food tracker app. So if you want to check the nutrients, what you're going to do is go to the dashboard tab. You can access it by pressing on the bottom left. Then we're going to go to this calories section and press on it. And here we're going to go to the nutrients tab on the top. And here are all of the nutrients that you have logged throughout the day. So this is the total, this is the goal, and how much is left to achieve your goal. So these are today's stats. Haven't really logged anything today, but you can check other days, you can check weeks, and you can even change the date of what you want to check. So here you have all of the nutrients, and everything that you've logged will be displayed here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.